The two sessions this year focus on China's reform agenda and its implementation. Many believe financial reform is a reflection of China's overall development. Many policies are coming out. Which one is the most significant out of this? Our anchor Tian Wei recently asked Zhang Hongli, Senior Executive Vice President of ICBC, and now let's have a look.
There are so many changes in the banking and financial industry right now. To me, the order of these reforms, which one go first, is very, very important. Sometimes it's even more important than the reform itself, because you want to make sure the order itself is correct. So I'm highly applauding in terms of what's happening right now in terms of the deposit insurance scheme is going to be launched here in China. And there's a big story in the capital market is changing from the in Chinese approval system to the register system for the companies to get listed. I think the Disanban, the third board of the whole capital market, is such a huge thing, and I think we all should be embracing it. And there's so many regional capital market or trading market exchanges going on, not only capital market, but some are for assets, leasing assets. Trust company assets. Right. So exchanges happening. I think these are all great things that are happening that help to promote the whole financial service industry to better be part of the real economy in terms of serving the economic development. The key here is everyone will say, and I would agree, the whole China, the financial service is still not meeting the demand. And we need more innovation, more players in the industry. So that's why we welcome these changes that are happening.
One of the things people have been talking about, the social apps, for example, as we have seen with Tencent, is that they could transcend boundaries, at least at the very beginning.
Yeah.
But then it seems to be there can be more legal and also political limits once they really have their operation going on elsewhere in the world, as we have seen Alibaba, which is going through now a whole series of lawsuits around the world. Do you think that would be the biggest concern for internet financing, whether it's with that kind of technology-based company or traditional banks like yours when it comes to the future?
Well, risk is always a 7/24 thing for banks. And I think we are very used to deal with risks. I think it is true that for internet banking or internet finance, I think we need to watch the risk and watch it very, very carefully. Some are political risk, some are geopolitics risk, some are even national security related the risk when we talk about internet. So we need to all be careful and watch that. But I think in terms of customers' privacy protection, etc., there's a series of that kind of risk related with this as well. So that's why we need to be very, very careful. And for banks, for big banks like ours, when we do B2C, when we do B2B, when we do the whole supply chain, internet financing, we want to make sure we're dealing with the right people. We are dealing with the right products. We have the right process. So this way, our product, our internet will be proportionate to ICBC's reputation.